Hey guys, this is going to be a video showing you how to clean the torches for the turbo vaporizer. So you unscrew the torch tip like this. You're going to use the metal toothpick to pick right into that into the rubber seal. It's a little bit hard to get out, but after picking a few times, you should be able to lift it. And once you lift it like this, you can use the tweezers to grab it. Don't lose this. This is the filter. Make sure it's clean if it's dirty. Once you take that out, you'll use the Allen wrench to unscrew the propane orifice. And this is the thing that you actually want to clean at the end of each day, because it will get clogged up with oxalic acid. As you can see, it's fairly dirty from heavy use. And just to show you, here is a magnifying glass. As you can see, there's no hole, so obviously propane won't work. So we're going to be cleaning this right now. The best way to do it is to grab a pair of pliers, hold it. Oxalic acid, we want to melt it because it's crystallized. Different angles, a few seconds, and then we'll use this stainless steel brush. Use one hair from the stainless steel brush. Use a hair. It's a 0.2 millimeter hole to poke through that little hole. As you can see, probably. Okay, looks like it went in. I'm gonna blowtorch it again to make sure I melted it. I'm gonna try again just to be sure. Okay, went in nice and good. Go back and forth. And now if you have an air compressor, I would blow all that out, clean it up. Again, poke it through, make sure it's not clogged up with oxalic acid. It's a little bit hard to get in there, but once you get in there, go in and out a few times. And let's see if we can see a hole in there now. Not yet. Melt this way. Okay, it's tiny, but we can see it there. There's the hole. And there it is. Now we can see it. There's that hole there, so it's clean. If you have an air compressor, blow that out. Now might be hot in your hand, but put it back together and screw the orifice back in all the way. Hand tighten it. Put the rubber seal, make sure it's also clean. This one looks like it's a little dirty, so I'm gonna wipe it down. There's some kind of liquid on there. Clean that out and put it back in. Put it back in. Screw it back on all the way. And I would also clean this outside, because this is the intake of the air. You don't want this clogging up either, because that's where the oxalic acid builds up to. So wipe this clean and you should be good to go. Do the same for the other side and you should be golden. Do this at the end of each day, working day, so that your torches remain in proper working order. Thank you.